Hello everybody, I am here in our production in Copenhagen. No, it's not in Copenhagen, but it's very close to Copenhagen. It's in a city called Fredensborg. Here is another production that we are doing, and I want to show you this. I don't have Rasmus, my film guy, with me today, so it's gonna be handheld like this. But yeah, as you can see here, it's snowing. It's -1 degree. Last week it was -12 degrees when I drove from my home at 6 in the morning. So we've encountered some issues with the delivery van. The products are freezing. I can maintain the products for like 5 hours in -10 degrees. And then everything is frozen in the car. But this is our second production that I've been very excited to show you. I have been approved by Anders to make a video tour, a small video tour about the place. See, we're growing delicious herbs that we are used to growing in our regular other facility. So yeah, so Anders, he started up a few years back, and we've been there the whole way. We did it together. It's been a really fun journey, and now we're here. Everything is running. Anders, he's in Thailand right now with his girlfriend, Fie, and they are just enjoying that they can take some time off. So I'm here in Copenhagen delivering the whole January. Still running a bit low on everything, but soon sales are gonna pick up again. So hopefully we're gonna fill everything out here. Yeah, this is a great start to a new journey here in Copenhagen, and we are very excited about it. So everything goes as planned. You can see here doing our nasturtium. Looks awesome. And of course we are doing some cress, regular cress with radish. We have some broccoli growing. The nice red mustard we're growing as well. Here we have some more radish. Yeah, so basically this is how it's going in Copenhagen. It's a nice place and a great facility for expansion. We can build a wall right here, then we can increase the capacity of the grow room. So basically there's a lot of possibilities in here, and we are very excited to see what the future will hold. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is quite a short one, but yeah, looking forward seeing you in the next one. Take care.